in disciplic succession. That is the way we have to listen. Okay, so we will actually see in chapter 7 all this. Now Krishna describes, so knowing Krishna by the process of hearing about him, knowing Krishna as the source of matter and spirit. All this we'll discuss in the upcoming shlokas in chapter 7. So knowing Krishna as the source of matter and spirit, Krishna controls the modes of material nature. The impious never surrender, and the pious do, surrendering to demigods and impersonalism, bewilderment of living entities, and freedom by knowing Krishna. So this all we'll see. Okay. Now the first section 7.1 to 7.3, knowing Krishna in full by hearing about him. So Krishna tells Arjuna first how to know about Krishna. So you have to hear thoroughly.